List 10, the more the merrier. This is the multi-poly video. So here is just a reminder of your 4 roots that we're working with this week and their meanings. So we are working with multi-poly today, and both of these roots mean many, and they are Greek roots. Your words that have these roots are multiply, multidisciplinary, multiple, multimedia, multitude, multiplication, multifold, polygon, polymer, polygraph, and polytheistic. So your first word is multiply. This means to increase greatly in number or amount, to become much more numerous. So if you think about it, when you multiply numbers, they increase greatly in the number or the amount. This is a word that you should be familiar with because of math. Your next word is multidisciplinary, and this means involving 2 or more subject areas. So if we would combine reading and science, we would say that we are having a multidisciplinary approach. We are combining 2 or more subject areas into one topic lesson. So sometimes we do have multidisciplinary lessons. For instance, we are currently learning about space, so that is multidisciplinary. Your next word is multiple, and this means consisting of, including, or involving more than one. So on the screen there are 3, looks like CDs. So we could say that there are multiple CDs. It consists of more than one. Next is multimedia. This means to use or involve several forms of communication or expression. This is one of your words on your homework sheet. So right now, I want you to look at your homework sheet, think about the video, and say whether or not this is a multimedia video, and then say why or why not. Your next word is multitude. This is a great number of things or people. So in the picture, there are a multitude of flowers. There are a great number of them. So on your homework, I want you to write where you would see a multitude of things. This could be a multitude of things. This could be a multitude of people. Write a situation where you would see a multitude of things or people. Your next word is multiplication. This is the act or process of multiplying. You should be familiar with your multiplication facts. Sorry that the picture there isn't very good, but this is an example of your multiplication facts. Next is multifold, which means many or numerous. So if you look at the knot on the left hand of the picture here, this is a multifold overhand knot. It was wrapped around many or numerous times. Polygon is your next word. This is a 2-dimensional shape that has 3 or more straight sides and angles. There are simple, there are multiple types of polygons. So on your homework, please draw an example or 2 of a polygon. Polymer is a chemical compound or mixture of compounds. This is a special type of compound. A lot of plastics are polymers. So in your picture, you can see little bits of polymer. This is the chemical compound or mixture of compounds. Polygraph is an instrument for recording variations of several different pulsations. So sometimes people think of the polygraph test as the lie detector test. It might measure your heartbeat, how much you sweat, things like that. And polytheistic. This is describing a belief that there is more than one God. Greek mythology had many gods and goddesses, so this would be a polytheistic belief.